In today's video, I'm going to teach you Jira versus Trello, how to choose the right project tool for your team. If you're organizing a project, you've probably come across these two giants. They're both made by the same company, they both use boards and cards, but they serve very different needs. Think of Trello as a sleek digital sticky note wall, while Jira is more like a control room with dials, data, and rules. By the end of this video, you'll know which one fits your team's style, your project's complexity, and your need for speed or structure. Let's start with Trello. Trello is built on the kanban idea. You lay out work in columns like to do, doing, and done, and you move cards across as progress happens. It's visual, it's intuitive, and it almost feels like rearranging sticky notes on a whiteboard. That simplicity is its superpower. You click a card, add a checklist or due date, maybe drop in a file or a comment, and you're moving. No steep learning curve, no heavy setup, and no need for specialized training. Trello shines for small teams or solo operators who need to get moving in minutes. If you're running a marketing campaign, tracking an HR hiring pipeline, or keeping a content calendar, Trello feels natural. Visual thinkers love it because everything is right there in front of you. You don't have to dig through layers of fields or settings to see what's important. The board tells the story at a glance. When speed, clarity, and an easy start are your top priorities, Trello keeps the tool out of the way so you can focus on the work. Now, let's talk about Jira. If Trello is a whiteboard, Jira is a cockpit. It was born in software development to track bugs and manage complex work, and that DNA is still clear. Jira is designed for teams that need structure, traceability, and robust reporting. If your team follows agile practices like Scrum or sprints, Jira is built for that. You can manage a backlog, estimate work with story points, and watch burn down charts show you whether you're on pace. Where Jira truly shines is in workflow control. In Trello, a card typically moves left to right. In Jira, you can design rules that mirror your real process. For example, a task can't be marked complete until it's approved, or a ticket can't move forward until testing is finished. That level of control reduces ambiguity and keeps quality checks from slipping through the cracks. On top of that, Jira's reporting is deep. You can see where bottlenecks happen, compare velocity across teams, and track many projects at once with consistent metrics. So how do you choose? Start by looking at how technical your team is. If your daily work involves code and you need to connect tasks to repositories like GitHub or Bitbucket, Jira is the natural fit. If you're a creative or operational team that wants to move quickly without wrestling with configuration, Trello will feel comfortable. Next, consider how complex your rules are. If done is truly just done, Trello's simple flow is perfect. But if done actually means it's been tested, reviewed, documented, and signed off, Jira's workflows will keep that process clear and enforce standards. Finally, think about scale. Trello is fantastic until your board grows to 100 cards or more, at which point clarity can start to fade. Jira is built to handle thousands of issues, multiple teams, and enterprise-level structures without losing the thread. In short, choose Trello for speed and simplicity. It helps you finish work without the tool slowing you down. Choose Jira for structure and scale. It helps you manage the process as carefully as the task. And here's a bonus. Since both tools come from the same family, you can sync them if you need to. But for most teams, picking one and sticking with it is the real productivity unlock for 2026.